Hello everyone, my name is Josh Hilliker with the Intel vPro Expert Center, and Happy New Year. It's January 3rd, 2009, and before I went on vacation, I was asked to do a couple things from the community. First one was show a demo of Sierra, which is our fast call for help. I won't be doing that until I get back to the plant and I have access to my MPS back at work, and then I'll show you how that connectivity works, how you hit the options, etc. on a Monovina notebook, the Centrino 2 with vPro. The second thing I was asked to do was around doing a down-the-wire through Sierra type of connection, doing an OS build, and we'll come back to that at a later time. But let me show you something kind of a little more interesting and exciting for 2009. I was asked, could you take one of these, an iPhone, and can you manage a vPro machine? And the answer is quite simple. The answer is yes. So I'm going to show you today. So let me give you a quick shot here. And what I'm going to show you is this machine behind me, which is an HP 6910P Centrino Pro. It's the first edition of Centrino Pro machines. And I'm actually already logged in to the MEBEX on that machine. And as you can see, I have a system status up on. I have an IP address. I'm not using wireless right now. And I'll explain that in a future blog, what I'm doing as I work on 802.11n. And again, we'll talk more about that soon. But let's go ahead and show you that I can do normal control stuff. I'm going to go ahead and come over here to remote control and let it load up. And you can see this is just a standard MEBEX screen. And I'm going to go ahead and do, it's called cycle power off and on. And then you're going to need to actually send the command. And we're going to hit an OK to send it. And what you're going to see here, and you already saw in the back here, the machine's already starting to reboot. It's turned off, and you'll start to see it cycle up. And I'm basically just showing basic functionality of basically power cycling the machine, ability to remote power it off. I could do the same thing if it was powered off and I wanted to power it on. Same thing if I wanted to do it, power it up to a serial over LAN connection and I had a share where there was an ISO. So it's a little bit more fun for 2009, but hey, I can take an iPhone, I can manage a vPro machine. Hopefully we'll have more better videos on Sierra like I talked about earlier, coming up here in the near future. And if there's any requests you have, please let me know. Drop me a line on the community site or on YouTube. Anywhere this video is posted, please just let me know what you want to see. Thanks a bunch and talk.